Well, I'm Martin Culling. I'm the director of Faux Media, and we publish Faux Magazine, which is a nationally focused, regionally funded, free press magazine.
I'm Liam Haynes. I'm editor of Faux Media. We've been trading for about 4 months now, and we're a free ad-funded music, culture, film, print publication based in Lincoln. Obviously, coming from the University of Lincoln, I was aware of Enterprise Inc. and it's sort of them building the new building and Spark House. I knew some businesses that had been going through Spark House previously, so I suppose it was the first port of call when we were looking for office space and some help with funding, getting off the ground.
We got accepted for the Enterprise Inc. programme, and we got £2,400 paid in 10 monthly instalments of £240 grant money, which was good. It's for new startup businesses to nurture you and to help you with what you need.
Obviously there's a financial support, but I think the main thing is just being in that creative environment alongside other sort of creative industries. You've got web design people, you've got video production people, CD, you know, all this kind of new media, older media going on. So basically it's just a great environment to be amongst. There are things like Ignite meetings, networking meetings, different courses that go on that are really beneficial to us. The networking things in particular, there'll be people there that we're already familiar with, people there that are new to us, always sort of meeting new faces. So, you know, that's really good, just having this constant flow of new creative people passing by that you can begin working with or just bouncing ideas off them. Compared to other sort of group office environments I've been in, I think it's one of the most smoothly executed.
Your rent is tiered, which is good, so it grows as your business grows, which allows you to budget a lot better, which is good.
I think if you're right at the beginning of starting a project, or something that you're enthusiastic about, Spark House and Enterprise Inc. are really there and ready to embrace your enthusiasm and help you push as hard as you can to executing your project to the best of your ability.
And even if all they can do is refer you a phone number of a possible client that might be able to help you, then they've done their job.